Thinking of buying Bitcoin? Before you jump in, let me warn you. Most beginners make the same mistakes, and some of them can cost a lot of money. In this video, I'll break down the 8 biggest Bitcoin mistakes I see people make time and time again, and more importantly, how you can avoid them. Bitcoin is exciting, and it's so easy to get caught up in the hype and FOMO. But just like learning to drive a car, you don't want your first experience to end in a crash. You need to learn the rules of the road first. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what pitfalls to avoid, so your first steps into the world of Bitcoin are safe, smart, and confident. So, let's dive into mistake number 1, thinking you need to buy a whole Bitcoin. This is one of the first and biggest misconceptions beginners have. They look at the price, see it's tens of thousands of dollars, and immediately think, well, I can't afford that. But that's not how it works. Bitcoin is divisible into 100 million tiny units called Satoshis, or Sats for short. This means you can start with as little as $10 or even $5. Don't let the price of one full Bitcoin scare you away. It's like saying you can't own any gold unless you buy a whole massive gold bar. You can buy a small piece, and it's the same with Bitcoin. Comment below if this clears up that whole Bitcoin myth for you. All right, mistake number 2, not properly securing your Bitcoin. This is a huge one, and it's where a lot of people get into trouble. Many beginners buy some Bitcoin on an exchange and then just leave it there. They don't enable two-factor authentication, or worse, they use a simple weak password like password 123. This makes them an incredibly easy target for hackers who are constantly looking for weak accounts to drain. Remember, with Bitcoin, you are your own bank. Treat your digital money like you would treat a pile of cash sitting on your desk. If someone gets your password and there are no other security layers, it's like handing them your wallet and watching them walk away. Moving on to mistake number 3, and this one is critical. Forgetting about your private keys and recovery phrase. In the world of crypto, your private keys and your 12 or 24-word recovery phrase are everything. They are the only way to access your Bitcoin. If you lose them, you lose your Bitcoin, period. There's no customer service hotline you can call, no bank manager who can reset your password for you. It's gone forever. Some beginners will write down their recovery phrase on a scrap of paper and then lose it, or even worse, they'll take a screenshot and store it on their phone where a hacker could easily find it. The best practice is to write it down on a piece of paper, or even better, on metal, and keep it somewhere extremely safe, like a fireproof safe box. Losing this is like losing the one and only key to your house, and the locks can never be changed. This brings us to mistake number 4, falling for scams. Unfortunately, where there's money, there are scammers, and the crypto space is full of them. You'll see fake giveaways on social media, people in your DMs pretending they can double your Bitcoin, and shady investment platforms that promise unbelievable returns. There is a golden rule in crypto that will save you a world of hurt. If it sounds too good to be true, it absolutely 100% is. Bitcoin is a peer-to-peer system. It doesn't need a middleman. Nobody legitimate will ever ask you to send them your Bitcoin with a promise to send you back more. Once you send your crypto to a scammer's address, it is gone forever. There is no way to get it back. Pause and rewatch this part if you need to. It could literally save you thousands of dollars. Okay, let's talk about mistake number 5. Investing more than you can afford to lose. This is a classic rookie error. New investors get swept up in the excitement. They see prices going up and they throw in their life savings or even take out a loan. That is a recipe for disaster and extreme stress. Bitcoin is a volatile asset. Its price goes up and down, sometimes dramatically, on a daily basis. The cardinal rule of investing in Bitcoin, or any speculative asset, is to only invest money that you would be okay with losing completely. Start small, learn as you go, and grow your knowledge and your position over time. Think of investing in Bitcoin as a marathon, not a 100-meter sprint to get rich. Next up, mistake number 6, trying to day trade without any experience. This is another trap that many beginners fall into. They see stories online about traders making a fortune overnight and think, I can do that too. But the reality is that professional traders spend years, even decades, learning the craft. And even they lose money. What usually happens with beginners is they buy high when everyone is excited and the price is soaring, and then they panic and sell low the moment prices start to drop. For the vast majority of people, especially if you're new, the simplest and often safest strategy is just to buy and hold for the long term, a strategy known as hodling. All right, let's cover mistake number 7, ignoring fees and taxes. Many new investors are so focused on the price of Bitcoin that they completely forget about the associated costs. Buying, selling, and even transferring Bitcoin from one wallet to another often comes with network or exchange fees. These can add up. On top of that, in most countries, some beginners sell their crypto for a profit without realizing that they'll have a tax bill waiting for them later on. Always make sure you understand the fee structure of the platform you're using and the tax implications in your country before you start making moves. And finally, the 8th and perhaps most important mistake, not doing your own research. A huge mistake is to blindly follow the advice you see online. The crypto world is filled with hype, noise, and influencers trying to pump their own bags. Not every YouTube video, tweet, or TikTok you see is giving you trustworthy information. You have to be your own filter. Always double-check information from multiple reputable sources, read the official Bitcoin white paper, and take the time to learn the fundamentals for yourself. The more you know, the more confident you'll be, and the safer your investment will be. Comment below if this makes sense to you. It's truly the most important mindset to have in crypto. So, let's do a quick recap of the mistakes to avoid. You don't need to buy a whole Bitcoin. Always secure your accounts with strong passwords and 2FA. Protect your private keys and recovery phrase like your life depends on it. Watch out for scams and promises that are too good to be true. Don't invest more than you can comfortably afford to lose. Avoid the temptation of risky day trading. Understand the fees and taxes involved. And most importantly, always do your own research. And those are the most common Bitcoin mistakes that beginners make. I hope this helps you start your Bitcoin journey on the right foot. If you learned something new today, let me know in the comments which mistake you'll be sure to avoid. And if you want more beginner-friendly Bitcoin guides like this one, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.